Bulk fill composites are characterized by a higher curing depth. Tokuyama Dental uses science with ESTELITE bulk fill flow to ensure deep and reliable curing. If two materials have different refractive indexes, they are clearly distinguishable from each other. However, with an almost identical refractive index, they are difficult to recognize separately. Thanks to the control of these parameters, the initial translucency of ESTELITE bulk fill flow transforms into an opaque and aesthetic result after polymerization. Another special feature of ESTELITE bulk fill flow is its newly developed smooth-surfaced composite filler, consisting of a plethora of spherical filler particles. The Sol gel method provides the basis for Tokuyama's patented spherical fillers. Using spray granulation, the spherical fillers are converted into new composite fillers. This creates an homogeneous structure of spherical fillers and composite fillers. The irregular shape of conventional composite materials often leads to increased friction between the filler particles and thus to increased shrinkage stress. However, the spherical fillers of ESTELITE bulk fill flow are characterized by their shape and structure, with less friction between them, and thus they contribute to reduced shrinkage stress. The benefits of the ESTELITE bulk fill flow concept are reflected in the high resilience of the material and corresponding enhanced aesthetics. Most bulk fill materials require an additional capping layer. However, ESTELITE bulk fill flow can be applied and cured by the dentist in just one step. ESTELITE bulk fill flow, without stress for a perfect result. Learn more about ESTELITE bulk fill flow without obligation and convince yourself by visiting our website, tokuyama-dental.eu.